This video will cover some manipulations that you can do directly on the cut sheet. So here we have a carpet product in our room. Let's roll up our cut sheet. And you immediately see all the important information, like the quantity, waste percentage, covered area, cup margin, and used length. If you look next to roll cut, it will say cut list. Click on that. Here are all the little piece cuts and their dimensions. Now let's go back. I can directly move these little cuts around on the cut sheet. Simply click on one and drag it around. You can also rotate one by clicking on it and clicking rotate. Note that it will only rotate if there is room on the cut sheet. If I click on the eye icon in the upper left, I'll see Re-Layout. This will lay out the cuts once more, but keep any rotations I've made. You can go back and click T-Seams and apply seams directly on the cut sheet. If I go back once more, it's the same idea with the even T-seams. The button Optimize will basically pop up the same dialog box as going through the Estimate icon menu. Allowing overlapping means that you may move the cuts on top of one another. Please keep in mind that this video was made to show you how the system works and was not in any way an optimal estimate of a product.